Hello from Lordhair. Today I'm here to talk to you about the S1 INS Super Thin Skin Flat Injected Men's Hairpiece. The product code for this is Inception. We don't recommend using this system for brushed back styles as injected hair sits flat, but if you do wear your hair forward, then this could be the ideal system for you. Let's start by looking at the base. The base is super thin skin with injected hair all over. This means it sits comfortably and naturally on the scalp and is undetectable. It's also breathable, light and airy. Now let's have a look at the top of the hair system. The S1 INS uses the flat injection technique, so the top is knotless. This is really undetectable and is great for men who want their hair to sit neatly and flatly. The S1 INS comes in a hair length of 6 inches and a medium light hair density, which is common to most men. As with all of our stock hair pieces, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and immediate shipment, meaning this system could be with you in just 5 working days. The S1 INS comes in our standard base size of 8 by 10 inches, but we offer a professional base and hair cutting service so your system is ready to be worn as soon as it arrives. If the S1 INS interests you and you'd like to find out more, then please visit our website at www.lordhair.com or email us at support@lordhair.com. Alternatively, you can telephone us +86 532 8082 8255.